Missing easy clays and can't figure out why? It's not your gun or your aim, it's small mistakes holding you back. In this video, we fix the biggest ones. Watching the gun, stopping your swing, wrong lead, poor stance and balance, and overthinking the shot. Fix these today and start breaking more clays. Accuracy killer number 1. Your eyes are on the wrong thing. This is the most common mistake in clay shooting, and almost every shooter makes it, especially early on. You check the barrel, you glance at the sight, you worry about gun alignment. That's where everything starts going wrong. Clay shooting is not about aiming the gun. It's about tracking the target. The moment your eyes leave the clay, your timing falls apart. Your swing becomes stiff, slow, and inconsistent. Late eyes always mean late shots. Your eyes control your body. When your eyes stay locked on the clay, your hands, arms, and gun naturally move into the correct position without forcing it. That's how experienced shooters break targets so smoothly. Fix. Lock your eyes on the clay from launch to break. Track it calmly and trust your body to follow. Eyes lead. Gun follows. Shot breaks. The silent miss. Stopping the gun. Too early. This mistake destroys accuracy without you even noticing. The swing feels good. The timing feels right. But the instant you pull the trigger, the gun stops. That tiny pause is enough to miss. The clay keeps moving forward. Your gun doesn't. The result? A shot behind the target. Clay shooting demands continuous motion. When your swing stops, your lead disappears instantly, especially on crossing or fast clays. Fix. Make the shot one smooth action. Swing to shoot to keep swinging. Just like throwing a ball or swinging a bat, follow-through is everything. Keep the barrel moving after the shot breaks. Why shooting at the clay never works? Aiming directly at the clay feels natural, and it's completely wrong. The clay is moving, and your shot takes time to arrive. By the time the pellets get there, the target has already moved on. That's why lead matters. Faster clays need more lead. Slower clays need less. There's no fixed distance. It's about speed and angle. Stop chasing the target. Chasing causes hesitation. Instead, move with the clay and aim where it's going to be. Clay shooting is prediction, not reaction. And once lead clicks, your hit rate jumps fast. Your body is sabotaging your shot, leaning back, locked knees, stiff posture. All of these kill control. Even with good aim, poor balance makes smooth swings impossible. Fix. Use an athletic stance. Slight forward lean, soft knees, weight forward, and the gun tight into your shoulder. Your body should feel balanced, relaxed, and ready to move. Great shots start from the ground up. The mental trap that ruins. Easy shots, overthinking is the silent killer. You hesitate, you doubt, you miss. Clay shooting isn't calculation, it's instinct. Trust your muscle memory and let the shot flow. Just like catching a ball, your body already knows what to do. Relax, react. Let the hits happen. If you fix just one of these mistakes, your accuracy will improve. Fix all of them? You'll see a massive difference fast. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your shooting buddy, subscribe for more clay shooting tips and training. Remember, focus the eyes, move the gun, trust the shot. See you in the next one.